Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Ford Bronco manual versus automatic full comparison. Begin by evaluating your typical routes, intended off-road use, and comfort with clutch control to decide the best transmission. Test each option in hills, traffic, and trails, noting fuel use, shift engagement, and driver workload. Consider resale value, towing needs, and driving enjoyment to prioritize which setup matches your lifestyle and budget. Manual transmissions give direct control and can be lighter and cheaper to repair, but require skill in traffic and hills. Try shifting through gears smoothly and judge clutch bite point early. Manuals often reward engaged drivers with better feedback and potential fuel benefits in certain conditions. Factor in weekend trail climbs and downtown commute length when choosing between effort and involvement versus convenience and consistency of an automatic. Quick recommendation: if you are enjoying this comparison, please subscribe and like to support more content. Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It learns home layouts, responds to voice control, and keeps floors clear after muddy Bronco trips. It handles pet hair and corners with surprising precision, making post-adventure cleanup effortless. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Automatic transmissions offer ease in traffic, consistent shifts, and modern adaptive logic for off-road modes, reducing driver fatigue. Evaluate responsiveness, tow modes, and transmission cooling during extended climbs to ensure durability. Automatics can provide fast, smooth power delivery and often include paddle shifters for manual control when desired. Balance convenience, maintenance costs, and potential fuel differences when fitting the transmission to your driving mix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.